a pre-owned 2013 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 79,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, moonroof, blind spot safety, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.